I had no idea this scam is going on. Like, people can get so creative. So yesterday we ordered from Swiggy. We ordered pizzas. Then after 15-20 minutes, we get a call saying that the driver has met with an accident, so the restaurant will fulfill the order directly. So just to cross-check, after like 10 minutes passed, we called the restaurant directly and asked them, and they said that we do not do direct deliveries. We only do it through Zomato or Swiggy. So we were like, okay, that's a red flag. And then we contacted Swiggy directly about it and we asked them. So Swiggy was again like, no, your order cannot be fulfilled, so we'll just process the refund. And then we received a refund and we were like, okay, the food is definitely not coming. But then after some time, we again got a call and this guy is saying, I'm standing right outside your house, your food is here, you can collect it. And we were like, that's weird, and we checked and he was there with our order. Now this guy goes that आपको refund मिल गया होगा, तो आप ये QR code है, आप इधर directly payment कर दो. But we were like, that is suspicious because if we ordered through Swiggy, we just told him that we'll pay through them, we are not going to pay you directly. So he's like, नहीं मेरे boss भी है call पे, वो भी बोल रहे हैं कि सीधा इसी QR code पे करना है. So we were like, कौन है boss? So he said restaurant manager. So we called the restaurant directly and then we spoke to the manager there. And the manager himself said that we do not do direct deliveries. And the manager said कि आजकल बहुत common scam चल रहा है. So you just take the pizza and definitely do not pay him. The TLDR is this, that if you order through a food delivery platform and your order gets marked as cancelled, and even then if a delivery guy shows up with the food, do not trust him. Talk to the restaurant, talk to customer support on these platforms, and make sure you're paying the right people for their work. Now don't think this is like a harmless hustle, right? This is literally theft of revenue from legit restaurants who are already operating on thin margins. और इससे ये भी होगा that these restaurants will start distrusting these aggregators, and as a customer, you do not know if that person mixed something in your food because now it's not really coming from the restaurant, right? Share this with someone who uses Zomato or Swiggy.